This is the first fishing after pandemic. What kind of fish? Let's see. Oh, a shark. This is probably a hammerhead shark, little one. It's too small, I guess. We can check. Be careful your hand. Okay, this one is too small to keep, so we're going to let her go. Do you want to let her go?
Yeah.
Just hold the middle of the body, be careful. This side, this side. Why that side? Okay, this is the second fish. Let's see what we are getting. Huh, another hammerhead shark. It's still same size, I guess. Similar size. You can make this a little bit tighter here. Okay. Yeah, a similar size. Caught a different shark. This is a kind of little baby shark. It's skinny. Anyway, it's really too small. Have to let her go. We also caught 9 crabs today. They look really good. What we did, we just put some regular paper, a little bit of ghost paper, of course all kinds of seasoning, and they look really delicious.